Chiron defines visualization differently than most firms. We look at visualization problems from two different angles: operational analysis and situational awareness. Operationally, we create 3D models of target facilities for customers. These models help our customers visualize what a facility looks like or how something man-made really works. Our 3D visualizations provide situational awareness through data convergence to first responders, facility managers, security, and engineers by showing things not easily seen by the naked eye. We visualize force protection scenarios. We create green building models for power, space, and cooling analysis. We visualize space requirements for real property and staffing. Regardless of whether Chiron is working on operational analysis or situational awareness, we use the IOU suite as our visualization backbone. Our methodology is the same for both. The Chiron IOU suite: inside, outside, under. Data convergence is not a buzzword. It is one of Chiron's competitive advantages. The IOU suite is truly a dual-use concept, with modeling processes identical whether we are building a force protection design or modeling a target environment. We converge computer-aided design, CAD, building information modeling, BIM, and sensors for the inside of a target area. Chiron staff uses photogrammetry, 3D models from 2D imagery, and geospatial information to fuse the outside of a target area into the IOU suite. Chiron's experts then converge the under data of a target area. This encompasses any utility information such as power, water, telephony, and network data, and more, to make the visualization richer. Chiron experts have placed this information operationally for customers into many formats such as Google Earth, ESRI, numerous gaming engines, standalone applications, and immersive settings. Intrigued yet? Come work with Chiron, and you will see the same software tools that make Hollywood blockbusters also do some very serious and important work. At Chiron, we create the future, even in 3D.